I'm taking this off because it's too heavy for me. Here's the sitch. Hi everyone, welcome back. So basically I have my camera on autofocus right now, so if you hear that noise, that is why, because lately I've been having a lot of troubles with focusing, and so we're trying this out, and I'm sorry if it's loud. I'm sorry. But also I'm not, because it's like such an easy thing to get over. So basically I'm in a bathroom at an Airbnb in Santa Cruz, and I have to get ready to see my friend Fiona. So I thought, why not bring you along? Sorry, this is honestly kind of homely. Okay, I found out yesterday a lot of people don't know what the word homely means. It's like a nicer way of saying ugly, but like not as intense. So if you just cared to know. Anyway, so it's really cute right here, but I didn't bring a tripod, so I can't put you over there. So you're just gonna have to go there. And I was gonna put you right here, but the lighting's bad and it's kind of homely over here too. So I'm sorry, but also it's fine. You can get over it. So basically, I have to go to the bathroom. Oh my gosh. I just have to really quickly do my makeup and my hair, but I haven't like even done any of my face stuff, so that's really good. Okay, so hey guys, what's up? I'm using this sunscreen Murad crap thingy.
You just need this real quick, like
Love you.
Okay.
So I need to keep going with my skincare. So basically, yeah, so I'm just getting ready for the day here in beautiful California, Santa Cruz, California. And I'm really happy. So if anybody was wondering or cared to know, I am happy as can be. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. I'm really sunburnt. It's kind of gone down, but you can still tell really well that I'm quite sunburnt. But that's okay. I mean, it's not, but it is. But it's not. First part of my skincare that I'm gonna do. Ooh, turn these on. That's a good idea. Thanks, guys. Put them in my sink. But basically, I'm gonna use Glossier Priming Moisturizer because this is a really good priming, but while also being really moisturizing primer. So today I'm going shopping, which is great because I'm so excited because I haven't like really gone shopping in a really long time. So I'm excited. So I have these huge pimples on my forehead. I have one right there and one right there, and these two are now scars. And I'm really mad. So I don't know if you cared. Also, I'm wearing a robe, which I never wear robes, but I'm wearing one. So I have mine in my Summer Keen X Nude Sticks little bag because I love it and it's actually super nice. So yes, I haven't like done one of these videos in so long. I'm so excited. So the first thing I'm gonna do is me brows, and I'm just gonna use the Glossier Boy Brow because it's the best thing ever. So I'm just gonna, oh, I forgot to do something. Hold up, y'all. I have to clean my ear. Okay, so I'm taking my Claire's ear cleaner for my second piercing because I have to do that. I always forget to look right at the camera and not at the viewfinder. It's so bad. And I know like some of you are really bothered by that. Sorry. So I'm just gonna apply this in my brows. So how have you guys... I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. I don't really know what. Should I try brushing it out? I'm gonna try brushing it out. How have you guys been? I have been doing pretty dang well because it is the summertime. I am thriving. That did not work whatsoever. I'm thriving because it is summertime. I love the summertime. Anyway, I'm thriving. I'm happy. I'm actually low-key really excited for high school, which is strange, but I am. So if you care to know, maybe I could do like a video where I like talk about what I'm excited about high school and what I'm not excited about for high school. That is an idea. Okay, I have to go get a mirror. I'll be right back. JK, I didn't get a mirror because my mom's using it, so. So now I like to go on to concealer, and I have this Glossier concealer, but it's a shade too dark, so I don't really know what to do. I'm just gonna have to use it, which is great. I'm gonna have to use this tiny little mirror. Okay, under my eyes. Oh, ooh. I forgot about something. I've been doing like my eyebrows really messily lately. I don't know why. I just think it looks kind of cute, but this looks awful. Now we can work on these. My eyeballs. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm like thriving because it's the summertime and I thrive during the summer when there's no school. Focus. I know you focus on me. Me. Focus. I think it's focused. I really don't know. Anyway, I like school, but I also hate school. Like, I'm like kind of weird that way. I kind of low-key miss my bangs because whenever I had pimples on my forehead, the bangs would cover them up. So, kind of miss it. But also don't because that was a pain in the butt. There's a gross dead fly. I didn't bring a powder blush. I just brought a cream blush. So I'm gonna put her on. This is the Glossier one in Puff. I'm a mess. I'm a loser. I'm a hater. I'm a user. And then I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just going to blend that girl in. I have like 45 minutes. Wait, no, I have like 30 minutes. Still have to do my hair and put, actually I know what outfit I'm wearing. I don't do good under pressure. Okay, now we're gonna go into my Hoola bronzer and just apply that because it's the best. I really don't know if this even looks good because the lighting is very odd. Like I have my viewfinder, but I also have this mirror, but it's only getting light on this side of my face. So that's awkward. I'm gonna put some on my nose, not like as a contour, but as like a bronze. I don't think I'm gonna apply any highlighter just because I don't really feel like it. And I sweat a lot, so I'm a mess, I'm a loser. Oh no, did I just ruin it? Brows are so weird. They like sometimes cooperate, but they like most of the time don't for me. I don't know what to do next. What do I do next? I think I do mascara next. I'm gonna put on a little bit of highlighter. I use this ColourPop F5 one, and do you like how like most of my stuff was Glossier? This Glossier highlighter in quartz, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of it. Not too much. Anywho, let's see, what else can I talk about? What else has been happening? I don't know. I'm just excited that's the summertime, and I can just kind of sit back and relax. And I'm just kind of happy about that. Okay, anyway, I need to do my lashes, so I'm just gonna... Thumbnail. Ouch! God. Guys, it's okay. I'm okay. Okay, I think I'm done with my makeup. So now I have to do my hair, and I kind of have to blow dry it. So let me get the blow dryer out. Oh my gosh, ew, that's disgusting. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, hold up, mama. Okay, I'm gonna use this I think it's Wave Spray. I'm keeping my hair very natural today. Whoa, I almost just seriously fell over. Ooh, okay. So first, I'm gonna pull my hair back to do my bangs. Oh my gosh, exclusive footage of Tilly doing her bangs. So I basically, let's do a little tutorial, shall we? Take my bangs like this. I take my New Me straightener. I have it up like, I don't know. And I'll take it and like curl them back. That way they kind of fall forward. If I need to, I'll kind of go. I have more bangs on one side than the other. Like this side has more than this side, so this side's more difficult. But I think that is good, which is great. Getting it on the first round is perf. Keeping my hair pretty natural, like I said. I have two different lip products that I absolutely adore and love. First off is this Tarte one. It's like this. Yeah, and it's in Pink Sands, and I'll just apply this. It's awesome. I love it. And then I like to put on this Fenty lip gloss in Fussy. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm glad we got to like hang and talk and just get ready. Hopefully maybe you got ready with me. I don't know. You could be, I don't know, but I'm glad I got to film another one of these videos because I haven't filmed one of these videos since like Thanksgiving, I think, which is so long, like over 6 months. Anyway, yes, I love you guys so much, and do not forget, never step on your bus. See you next week.